Hello, Alliance Wealth Advisor family. We have an exciting announcement we want to share with you today. As you're aware, Alliance Wealth Advisors has historically outsourced a handful of back office duties to Town Square Capital to perform on our company's behalf. These responsibilities include SEC registration, compliance approvals, reporting, and auditing. Now, as our firm has grown by over 450% in the last 3 years, our executive leadership team and investment committee here at Alliance Wealth Advisors has decided to bring in-house a few of these responsibilities. In connection with these updates, we have decided to register our firm directly with the SEC. Now, how will this affect you? Simply put, it won't. For all intents and purposes, you won't notice one difference in your customer experience with our firm. Your account numbers, usernames, passwords, logins, investment holdings, performance, investment selection committees, and advisory fees will remain untouched and unchanged. There will be a few personnel changes, which include, in addition to being our Chief Investment Officer, Scott Hoxer will now serve an additional responsibility of being our Chief Compliance Officer. We've also asked Mason Page to take on the role of being our Chief Operations Officer. Now, we do need your help to make this transition smooth. You'll be receiving in the coming days an email from Emily, our Director of Client Relations, asking you to complete a few DocuSign documents. Please review and sign those documents in a timely manner so we can complete our registration process. I'm going to take a minute to briefly describe each document. Now, not every client is going to be receiving every document that I describe. The first will be a new DAMA for Alliance Wealth Advisor. Now, this is the form that will grant discretionary authority to Alliance Wealth Advisors over your accounts so we can employ our investment selection committees to perform due diligence and research on your behalf in selecting high quality assets and the timing and purchasing and selling of those assets. This is where we refer to as smart investing. The acronym is Simplicity, Management, Alpha, Reduced Fees, and Tax Efficiencies. The second document will be a new proxy voting document for TD Ameritrade. Since you own your individual holdings, you have rights to vote or assign proxy voting. Now, this form will ensure that those rights belong to you. Next, there's an updated Move Money form for TD Ameritrade. Emily, as I referred to our Director of Client Relations, she calls this a money link form. It basically ensures that your bank account and investment accounts will speak to each other, and when you call her for an RMD or any other distribution, she can transfer the money seamlessly to your bank accounts in a timely manner. Now, there's another account form which is called an AWA account profile form. This form will just update our custodian TD Ameritrade of your risk profile, investment objectives, time horizon, goals, etc. As a fiduciary, we always review this information to ensure alignment and best passage. Finally, as part of our effort to provide the very best investment selection committees to our clients, we monitor and evaluate performance versus risk, as well as firm leadership and talent. Now, a few months ago, our investment selection committee and investment team here made a strategic decision to adjust one of our defensive managers within our clients' portfolios. It's a lateral move from a risk and style perspective, but we feel strongly it's a superior strategy and improved fit for our clients' portfolios from a performance perspective. Most of you have already made this move over the last few months as we've met with you, but a handful of you have not, and we are including that form to ensure that we can switch your investment selection committee from Taves to Dorsey Wright Tactical Fixed Income. Now, in conclusion, we are excited to continue to serve you and are committed to the highest standards of integrity, professionalism, performance, service, and customer experience. If you have any questions about the upcoming adjustments or the needed documentation, feel free to reach out to anyone here at the firm. One final announcement. With the winding down of COVID-19, we are so excited to announce that we will be hosting our annual traditional summer barbecue. We look forward to seeing every one of you in August at the Eaglewood Golf Course Clubhouse. So watch your inboxes for the upcoming invite so we can visit with you there. Now, until then, we really appreciate all of you guys. We really love working for you. We love what we do, but most importantly, we love who we do it for. Thanks, everyone. We'll talk to you soon.